Hey guys, in this video, we're going to go over how to increase Chase credit limit. Now, to do this, I want you to just launch up your app, and then what we'll do is submit a request. Now, this may or may not require a hard pull on your credit report. And if you're okay with that, you just go ahead and launch up the app. Come here on the credit card section. You'll see your credit card, go and tap on it, and you can see the account services for this. And I want you to look for more options here. So let's go ahead and look for this one, request a credit limit increase. So I want you to go ahead and tap on that. And then we'll be applying for a credit limit increase. So you just enter your gross annual income in US dollars, your full annual income, and your monthly housing payment. Whatever your rent or mortgage is, enter that right there. They'll verify this income and then click on continue. And then you just go ahead and review your request right here. And then you click on submit. They will give you a decision. And if you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out.